एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स। डिप्रेशन कुछ लोगों को कई चीज़ों से घबराहट होती है। किसी एक चीज़ पर उनका कंट्रोल नहीं रहता है। ये एक मानसिक स्थिति है जब आप खुद को हेल्पलेस यानी कि बेबस महसूस करते हैं। इसे एंजाइटी कहते हैं। लेकिन जब आप होपलेस महसूस करने लगते हैं यानी कि आप अपने भविष्य से उम्मीद खो बैठते हैं तो इस मनोस्थिति को डिप्रेशन कहते हैं। कॉजेस ऑफ डिप्रेशन: एब्यूज़, फिजिकल, सेक्सुअल और इमोशनल abuse can make you are more vulnerable to depression later in life. Age: people who are elderly are at high risk of depression that can be made worse by other factors such as living alone and having a lack of social support. Certain medication: some drug such as isotretinoin, used as a treat acne, and antiviral drug interferon alpha and corticosteroid can increase your risk of depression. Conflict: conflict or disputed with family member or friends. Death or a loss: sadness or grief after the death or loss of a loved one through natural can increase the risk of depression. Gender: women are about twice as likely a man to become depressed. No one's sure why. The hormonal changes that women go through at different times of their life may play a role. Genes: a family history of depression may increase the risks. Other personal problems such as social isolation due to the other mental illness or being cast और यानी कि बहिष्कार of a family of social group. Serious illness: sometimes depression happens along with a major illness or a may be triggered by another medical condition. Symptoms of depression: depression can take many different forms. Sometimes signs that indicate depression such as feeling of sadness, hopelessness or emptiness. But other times symptoms of depression such as feeling extremely tired or having trouble thinking or less behavior. Other signs of depression include: that's first, impressing anger and frustration overall small matter, losing interested in things we once enjoy like support, hobbies, sex and going out with our friend. Experiencing insomnia, having trouble sleeping or even sleeping too much. Having little to no energy for small tasks or chronic fatigue. Feeling anxious, agitated, empty and restless. Restless. Experiencing unexplained physical pain like headache, cramps, digestive problems, or back pain. Then thinking about death or suicide repeatedly, obsessing over our past failure and feeling guilty, worthless, and a sense of self hatred, lacking an, lacking an appetite and losing weight or having a large appetite that leads to weight gain. Children and teenagers experiencing depression tends to show signs that include छोटे बच्चों में भी ये डिप्रेशन हो सकते हैं. Then start worrying, complaining about unexplained acne and pain, refusing to go to school, feelings misunderstood and extremely sensitive, performing poorly in school, using drug or drinking alcohol, avoiding social interaction with others, attempting self harms, entering and sleeping too much. आइए इसके प्रिवेंशन देखते हैं. एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली, it increase your body temperature, which can have a calming effect on the central nervous system. It releases chemical like endorphin, which can boost mood. Then it reduces immune system chemicals that may worsen depressions. Second, cut back on social media time. Deleting all social apps from your mobile. Using website blocking extensions that only let you use certain site for a present amount of time. Only going to social media with a purpose and avoiding logging on several times a day just for some things to do. Build strong relationship. Make sure that you are regularly connecting with friend and family, even when your lives are busy. Attending social events when you can and finding new hobbies that could help you meet new peoples can all help you build new relationship too. Then fourth, reduce stressness. Start avoiding committing to things. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Learn to think good that you can't control. Maintain your treatment plan. These include continuing prescription medications and never stopping them abruptly. Having maintenance visit with your therapist even so often whether in remissions. Consistently practicing the strategies and coping mechanism your therapist taught you. Then 6. Get plenty of sleepy. To get better sleep, you can Not look any screen for 2 hours before bed, including your phone. Meditate before bed. Have a comfortable mattress. Avoid caffeine afternoon. Then 7. Stay away from toxic people. To avoid toxic people, you should stay away from anyone who make you feel worse about yourself. Cut people out of your life who take advantages of you. Now, the sign if sometimes if someone spread rumor or talk badly about sometimes as soon as they leave the room, they likely to do the same for you. Then eat well. To prevent depression with your diet, you should eat balanced meals with lean protein and lots of fruit and vegetables. Reduce high sugar and high fat foods. Eliminate processed food from your diet as much as possible. Incorporate more omega 3s into your diet with food like salmons or nuts. The 9. Reduce alcohol and drug use. 10. Get off nicotine. Smoking and depressions can perpetuate each other through any type of nicotine can act as a depression trigger. Plan for unavoidable known triggers. There are some depression triggers, but if you know about them, you can plan for them and that can help. There are some depression trigger. You cough or emptily khalipan. Example of unavoidable depression triggers could be anniversary of a death or a divorce, or knowing that you will see your ex and their new partner at your child school function. Then start how antidepressants work. There are three basic molecules, no chemicals and monoamines that are believed to be involved in mood regulations. These primarily work as a neurotransmitter which literally transmitted nerve signal to their corresponding receptors in the brain. Antidepressants work by influencing this neurotransmitter, which include dopamine, which can play a central role in decisions making, motivational arousal, and the signaling and precious and relief rewards. Norepinephrine, which infusions, alternates, and motor function and help regulates blood pressure and heart rate in response to stress. Serotonin, the neurotransmitter whose role it is regulated mood, appetite, sleep, memory, social behavior, and sexual desire. In people with depression, the available of this neurotransmitter in the brain in characteristically low. Antidepressant work by increasing the Availability of several of these neurotransmitters in the different distinctive ways. Classification. First, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors SSRIs. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors work by specific inhibiting the reuptake of serotonin. Example: citalopram, escitalopram, fluoxetine, fluoxamine, fluoxamine CR, paroxetine, paroxetine CR, sertraline. Then second, serotonin non-epinephrine reuptake inhibitors SNRI. Serotonin and norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors work in a similar way to SSRI, except that the inhibitors the reuptake of both norepinephrine and serotonin. Example: desvenlafaxine, duloxetine, venlafaxine, venlafaxine XR, milnacipran, and levominacipran. Then third, tricyclic antidepressant TCA. Tricyclic antidepressant are an older class of drug. They were named after their chemical structure, which is composed of three interconnection rings of atom. TCA works similar to reuptake inhibitors in that they work the absorptions of serotonin and norepinephrine into nerve cells as well as another neurotransmitter known as acetylcholine, which helps regulates the movement of skeletal muscles. Example: amitriptyline, desipramine, doxyprine, imipramine, nortriptyline, amoxapine, clomipramapine, maprotilene, trimipramine and प्रोटिप्टाइलिन. बहुत हार्ड है ये सब नाम. देन फोर्थ, मोनोअमाइन्स ऑक्सीडेज इनहिबिटर MAOI inhibits the action of an enzyme called monoamine oxidase, whose role it works to break down monoamines. By blocking these effects, more neurotransmitters are available for use in mood regulations. Example: phenelzine, silgin, and tranicyclopramine. Then fifth, atypical agents. There are also other fairly new antidepressants that do not fit into any of the above listed categories. Broadly described as a typical antidepressants, they work affect serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine levels in unique ways. Examples: bupropion, mirtazapine, nefazodone, trazodone, vilazodone, and vortioxetine. देन हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कि एंटी डिप्रेशन में ड्रग कौन कौन से ड्रग यूज़ किया जाता है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमिट्रिप्टिलिन हाइड्रोक्लोराइड। Amitriptyline should under the brand name Elavil. It is a tricyclic antidepressant primarily used to treat major depressive disorder and a variety of pain syndromes such as neuropathic pain, fibromyalgia, migraine, and tension headache. Because of its side effects, amitriptyline is generally considered a second line therapy for this indication. Uses used to treat mental mood problems such as depressions. It may help improve mood and feelings, it well-being, relieve anxiety and tension, help you sleep better and increase your energy level. Stability and storage condition. It should be stored in well-closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation: tablet, oral solution. Brand name: Elavil, Triptizolone, Laroxil, Serotex. Imperamine hydrochloride. This second drug. Imperamine sold under the brand name Tofranil. It is a tricyclic antidepressant (TCA), mainly used in the treatment of depression. It is also effective in treating anxiety and panic disorder. The drug is should also used to treat bedwetting. Imperamine is taken by mouth. Uses: it is used to treat depression. It is also used for the treatment of nighttime bedwetting. In uresis in children. It improves your mood, sleep, appetite, and energy level, and may help restore your interest in daily living. Storage and stability. It should be stored in a well-closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation: tablet, capsule. Brand: Tofranil, Imipramine, Antidep. Then third drug है Fluoxetine. Fluoxetine sold under the brand name Prozac and Cefamine, Serafem. It is an antidepressant of a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors SSRI class. It is used for the treatment of major depressive disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder COD, and panic disorder PD. It has also been used to treat premature ejaculation. Fluoxetine is taken by mouth. Uses. It is used to treat depression. To treat obsessive compulsive dispersion, disorder, and bulimia. Stability and storage. It should be stored in well-closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. फॉर्मुलेशन कैप्सूल में आते हैं, टैबलेट सॉल्यूशंस में आते हैं. ब्रांड नेम प्रोजैक, सेराफेम, फ्लूडैक. देन फोर्थ है वेलनाफ्लेक्सिन. वेलनाफ्लेक्सिन सोल्ड अंडर द ब्रांड नेम एफेक्सर. It is an antidepressant medication of a serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors. It is used to treat major depressive disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, and social phobia. It is taken by mouth. Uses. It is an antidepressant medication. It is used for the treatment of major depressive disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, and social anxiety disorder, social phobia, stability and storage. It should be stored in well-closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation capsule, tablet. Brand name Effexor. Then fifth है duloxetine. Duloxetine sold under the brand name Cymbalta. It is a medication used to treat major depressive disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, fibromyalgia, and neuropathic pain. It is taken by mouth. Use. It used to treat depressions and anxiety. It also used to treat nerve pain such as fibromyalgia and can be used to treat stress. Duloxetine comes as a capsule and take by mouth. Stability and storage. It should be stored in well-closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation tablet, capsule. Brand name Cymbalta, Duzela, Duloxin. Then sixth है sertraline. Sertraline sold under the brand name of Zoloft. It is an antidepressant of the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Sertraline is effective for panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, and obsessive compulsive disorder. Uses: sertraline is used to treat depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic attack, post traumatic stress disorder, stability and storage. It should be stored in well closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation: tablet and oral solution. Brand name: Zoloft, Certa, Cervel. Then सातवां है Citalopram. Citalopram sold under the brand name Celexa. It is an antidepressant for the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. It is used to treat major depressive disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic disorder, and social phobia. It is taken by mouth. Uses: it is used to treat depression, panic attack, storage and stability. It should be stored in a well closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation: tablets, oral solution. Brand name: Celexa, Citalopram, Cetram. Then आठवां है Escitalopram. Escitalopram sold under the brand name Cipralex and Lexapro. It is an antidepressant of the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Escitalopram is mainly used to treat major depressive disorder or generalized anxiety disorder. It is taken by mouth. It is available commercially inclusive as the oxalate salt. Uses: it is used to treat depression, anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic attack. Storage and stability: it should be stored in well closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation: tablet. Brand name: Lexapro, Cipralex. Then ninth है Fluoxamine. Fluoxamine sold under brand name such as Luvox or Favirin. It is an antidepressant of the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It is primarily used to treat major depressive disorder and obsessive compulsive disorder, but it also used to treat anxiety disorders such as panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, and post traumatic stress disorder. Uses: it is used to treat obsessive compulsive disorder, social anxiety disorder, storage and stability. It should be stored in a well closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation capsule tablet. Brand name Luvox Favorin. Then last, paroxetine. Paroxetine sold under the brand names Paxil and Seroxat. It is an antidepressant of the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. Proxetine sold under the brand name Paxil and Seroxat. It is an antidepressant of the selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It is used to treat major depressive disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, post traumatic stress disorder, generalized anxiety disorder. It has also been used in the treatment of premature ejaculation and hot flashes due to menopause. It taken by mouth. Uses. It used to treat depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, panic attack, anxiety, or post traumatic stress disorder. Stability and storage. It should be stored in a well closed container. Storage temperature should be between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. It should be protected from light. Formulation tablet. Brand name Paxil Seroxat. Pharmacological action. Tricyclic antidepressant. CNS effect different in normal individual and in the depressed. In normal individual, it induces a peculiar clemency feeling, tiredness, lightheadedness, sleepiness, difficulty in concentrating, and thinking under steady gait. In depression, patient lightly acute effort and produce accept sedation in the action of drug which have sedation properly. ANS. Most TCA are problem anticholinergics causes dry mouth, blurring and vision, constipation and urinary hesitancy and side effect. CVS. Effect on cardiovascular functions are prominent, occur at therapeutic contractions and become dangerous in overdose. Tachycardia, postural hypertension, ECG, changes and cardiac arrhythmias. Dose. Monocoblamide. Dose 150 mg BD TDS. Imipramine 25 mg tablet 75 mg. Amitriptyline 10, 25, 75 mg tablet. Reboxetine 4 mg BD, fluoxetine 20 mg capsule 20 mg, sertraline 50 and 100 mg tablet, desvenlafaxine dose 50 mg 100 mg per day, tyneptine dose 12.5 mg BD, amineptine dose 100 mg BD at breakfast and lunch. Indication: endogenous major depression, obsessive compulsive disorder, anxiety disorder, neuropathic pain, attention difficulties, hyperreactive disorder in children, premature ejaculation, smoking cessation, insured migraine, pruritus. Contraindication: hypersensitivity in pregnancy, in lactation, glaucoma, asthma, hepatic or renal disease, benign prostatic hyperplasia, also called prostate gland enlargement. Anti-anxiety drug. Definition: anxiety. It is an emotional state unpleasant in nature, associated with uneasiness, discomfort, and concern or fear about some defined or undefined features threat. Sometimes symptoms like anorexia, breathlessness, palpitation, paresthesia, etc., often accompany some degrees of anxiety is a part of normal life. Treatment is needed when it is disproportionate. Disproportionate. It is situation and excessive. Classification: एंजाइटी ड्रग बेंजोडाइजिपिन्स में आते हैं डाइजापाम, ऑक्सालेजिपाम, लोराजिपाम, क्लोरडाइजेक्सिपोक्साइड, अल्प्राजोलम, क्लोनाजिपाम। बड़े हार्ड नाम है यार। एजापिरोन्स में बस्पिरोन, जेस्पिरोन, स्पेपिरोन, सेडेटिव, एंटीहिस्टामिनिक्स, हाइड्रोक्सीजाइन, बीटा एड्रेनर्जिक ब्लॉकर, प्रोप्रानॉल। फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन: anxiolytic, sedative and hypnotic action, anterograde amnesia, anticonvulsants, muscle relaxants. Dose: chlordiazepoxide, daily dose 25 to 100 mg. Diazepam, daily dose 5 to 20 mg. Oxazepam, daily dose 30 to 60 mg. लोराजिपैम 1 to 6 mg daily. Alprazolam not 25 to 1 mg TDS. Clonazepam not 5 to 1 mg OD. Buspirone, it is the first azapirone, a class of a selective anxiety drug distinctly different from BZD. Dose 5 to 15 mg OD. Hydroxyzine 5 to 200 mg daily. Indication: anxiety disorder, muscles disorder, amnesia, seizure, sleep disorder. The last, contraindication: patient hypersensitivity, psychologists, and acute narrow angle glaucoma during pregnancy and labor due to floppy infant syndromes manifested by sucking difficulties, latterly hypotonic in the newborn. Lacting woman in patient in coma or shock. If vital sign of patients in acute alcoholic intoxications are low. डिप्रेशन एक प्रकार का मूड डिसऑर्डर होता है जो बहुत ही आम है। डॉक्टरों के अनुसार नकारात्मक बीमारी है जो सोचने की क्षमता, कार्य करने की क्षमता और बुरे से प्रभावित होती है। डिप्रेशन के परिणाम स्वरूप समय बर्बाद करते हैं और उत्पादकता कम हो सकती है। बहुत बार डिप्रेशन पुरानी अवस्था स्थितियों को प्रभावित कर सकता है। डिप्रेशन या अवसाद के कारण जो स्थिति खराब हो सकती है उसमें शामिल है गठिया, दमा, हृदय रोग, कैंसर, मधुमेह, मोटापा इत्यादि। प्रकार में देखा जाए तो मेजर डिप्रेशन डिसऑर्डर, persistent depressive disorder, bipolar disorder, seasonal affective disorder, psychotic disorder, peripartum disorder, premenstrual disorder। आइए इसके लक्षण देखते हैं। यद्यपि किसी व्यक्ति के जीवन में डिप्रेशन एक बार ही होता है, पर कई एपिसोड में हो सकता है। इन एपिसोड्स में डिप्रेशन के लक्षण दिन भर रह सकते हैं और बहुत बार हर दिन रहते हैं, जिनमें निम्न शामिल है: उदासी की भावना के साथ आँखों में आंसू, अकेलापन और निराशा, छोटी छोटी बातों पर गुस्सा होना, चिड़चिड़ाहट के साथ निराशा की भावना, सामान्य क्रियाओं में रुचि न लेना जैसे सेक्स, किसी खेल में रुचि न लेना, सही से नींद न आना, जिसमें अनिद्रा और बहुत देर तक सोना शामिल होता है, थकान और ऊर्जा से कमी होना, छोटे से छोटे कार्य के लिए अधिक प्रयास करना, भूख न लगना और वजन का घट जाना, या किसी भोजन की लालसा और वजन बढ़ जाना, चिंता, व्याकुलता और बेचैनी होना, सोचने, बोलने और शारीरिक गतिविधियों में कमी आना, अपने को योग्य या दोषी महसूस करना, पुरानी विफलताओं के लिए अपने आप को दोषी मानना, सोचने, ध्यान केंद्रित करने या देखने और निर्णय लेने में परेशानी होना, मृत्यु के ख्याल आना या आत्महत्या का बार बार प्रयास करना, अस्पष्ट शारीरिक समस्याएं हैं जैसे पीठ दर्द या सिर दर्द। कारण में देखा जाए तो मस्तिष्क संरचना, दिमाग का आगे का लोब कम सक्रिय है तो अवसाद का जोखिम अधिक होता है। मेडिकल कंडीशन जैसे पुरानी बीमारी, अनिद्रा, पुराना दर्द या अटेंशन डेफिसिट हाइपर एक्टिविटी डिसऑर्डर, शराब और दवाओं का दुरुपयोग, आत्मसम्मान की कमी या आत्म आलोचनात्मक होना, मानसिक बीमारी का व्यक्तिगत इतिहास। कुछ दवाएं भी डिप्रेशन का कारण हो सकती है। तनावपूर्ण घटनाएं जैसे किसी प्रियजन की मृत्यु, आर्थिक समस्याएं या तलाक। कुछ लोगों के पास उनके अवसाद के लिए कोई कारण नहीं होता। ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल में देखा जाए तो ट्रीटमेंट फॉर एंटी डिप्रेसिव पॉइजनिंग, तो इसमें पहले स्टमक वॉश करना है। इन पेशेंट कम्स विद इन 12 आवर। देन टैबलेट एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल अल्ट्रा कार्बन 20 mg। देन इंजेक्शन सेफ्ट्रेक्सोन 1 ग्राम 1 vial IV। देन इंजेक्शन ओमेप्राजोल 40 mg 1 vial IV। Then injection furosemide if BP stable 2 ampoule IV। If patient unconscious, NG suction, continuous catheterization, monitor vital sign।